Cousin, hello. How about we try to numb the pain with vodka?
Okay, man, let's go drinking. Come get me in next hour.
Good. I will collect you, cousin.
My cousin, it's so good to see you. Let's do this. Niko B in the house! Man, sometimes I cannot believe you're here. I am sober.
Sure.
This thing is really...
I am! Listen, man. I'm seeing funny. I think I got spiked.
What? What is spike?
I think someone put something in my drink. Evil people do to women they wish to take advantage of.
And which nice sailor in there do you think wanted to take advantage of you, pretty lady?
Firstly, I wasn't in the fucking merchant navy. And secondly, cousin and friend, fuck you. And thirdly, people also do it if they want to steal your kidneys or your liver.
Who would want your kidneys or liver? They must all be shot through by now.
Fuck you! I'm an alpha male. I'm at the top of the tree.
Like a fairy.
Not that tree. The tree of life.
Oh, that tree. Stop talking shit. Oh. I'm not in position to make good decisions right now.
was fun, NB. Hit me up if you want to hang out again soon.
And I'm East